How to fix no output devices installed on Windows. Open run command and type services.msc, search for Windows Audio, double click on the services, make sure the startup type is automatic, and after that click on stop the service status, and after that click on start and the service will resume. Click on apply, click on OK. After this, restart your computer and you should be able to solve your problem. But if it is not working, the next option is go to your browser and search for audio drivers for your PC. Go to website and choose your platform, whether you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, and after that download the audio driver and install it, and you should be able to solve your problem. And the third option is to uninstall the latest downloaded Windows updates. So in order to uninstall it, go to Windows Update History, scroll it down. Here you will be able to see uninstall updates option. Select the latest version of Windows Update that you want to uninstall, and after this you should be able to solve your problem. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to do the like and comment.